go to Krishna pose, others two will go. Krishna. Krishna. Be alert, be alert. Krishna. பக்கத்துல மட்டும் தான் alert, alert. Final warning. Krishna. Good. Go there. Krishna. 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 Okay. Good. Now I'm going to introduce one more rule because you want to solve the game. So one more rule, final rule, because we are getting the real game. I'll say Meera. I'll point out someone as Meera. You'll go only to me. Example, Meera, 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 Krishna. Krishna, Krishna in the role. Good. So only two rules. If I say final. If I say Krishna, you'll go to Krishna pose. Other two will go. So 3 person others. If we say Meera, only 1 person others. Final trial, which is I'm getting the ring game. Fast trial. Ready? Meera, Meera, Krishna, 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 Meera, Meera, Krishna, Krishna, Meera. Good. Trial over. From now on, 3 again. If you're out. Finally, there will be 3 winners. Let's see who is going to be the winner. Good. Meera, Krishna, Meera, 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 Krishna, Meera. Final warning. Meera, Krishna, Krishna. Okay. Out. The combination is closer now. Good. Meera, Meera, Krishna. That it was out there. I'm going to point out the next step for my team. Meera, Krishna, Krishna, Meera, Meera, Krishna. How the money can turn me? Ready? Meera. If only. Go little closer. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Krishna. See down. Go little closer. Good. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Faster. From now on, you will be faster. You are in final round. Krishna. Meera. Meera. யாரு பண்ணாலும் திரும்ப ரெடியா இருக்கீங்க. கிருஷ்ணா. மீரா. Meera. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Maria. 3 is big. Good. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. Okay, final 5 out. This is the first thing. Krishna. Meera. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Krishna. How to put them in final 2 count. Meera. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Out. The target final is last are in the round. Tough thing. Target is a tough thing. Meera. Krishna. உங்களை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டார்கெட் வச்சேன். அப்புறம் மறந்துட்டேன். நீங்களா மாட்டீங்க. 4 பேர் இருக்கீங்க. இப்போ எனக்கு ஈட் அவுட். You stand facing him. One of you stand facing him. ஒருத்தர் நீங்க இங்க வாங்க. சரி நீங்க இங்க வந்துருங்க. இப்போ வந்து ஸ்கொயர்ல நிக்கிறீங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஆப்போசிட். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் யூ ஆர் தி சர்க்கிள் மாதிரி இப்போ. உங்களுக்கு 2 டிவோட்டி இருக்காங்க. எல்லாருமே 2 டிவோட்டி இப்போ. You will not part of break and it's a circle. I'm saying in English. It's a circle now. Everyone you have right and left. Okay. So if I see someone Krishna, definitely there are 2 devotees. Okay. For you there are 2 devotees. For you these 2. Ready? Good. Finally one. Now I am going to stand outside and shift point of view. I can also stand in between. Ready? Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. 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 இதுக்கப்புறம் லைட்டா சடல் மூவ்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தாலும் ஆகுது. கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி வந்துரு. நீங்க கொஞ்சம் நான் உள்ள இருந்து வரேன். நீ கொஞ்சம் உள்ள போயிடு. சேம் சர்க்கிள். ஓகே. Meera. Krishna. Krishna. Meera. Meera. Krishna. Meera. Okay, last 2 counts. Correct. Tapa. Last 2 counts. With this I'm going to declare all 4 as winners. Then result down now. Meera. Krishna. Meera. Krishna. Good. All the 4